God have mercy.
Him before Abiata.
God have mercy.
Poor boy with big dreams. I call you spit. No, but you have the effort to go to my fridge and collect my drink. Do you know? I said, do you know how much this drink costs? Your mates are out there struggling to make ends meet, and you are sitting down comfortably. Wow, rich kid, drinking my drink.
I just feel.
I said, shut up! You just feel bored. Do you know how much this drink costs? I said, do you know how much this drink costs? You even have to.
God have mercy.
They've even finished the drink. Wow, rich kid. I hate you. Imagine.
This man said something.
You are an idiot.
God have mercy.
I could have bothered you about. My spirit wouldn't let me. Because you see this drink that you drink, it will not relax in your body. Double. You will vomit that drink. Vomit that drink. Double vomit it. Idiot. Vomit it. I said vomit that drink.
It is a pity for you.